What's up, Smiley Pants? You just had a bath. So I was looking through my buckets of rock that I have, and I came across this one that says RRR 2017. That's Richardson's Rock Ranch in Central Oregon. It is said that 90% of all the Thundereggs that are pulled out of Oregon come out of this one ranch. I don't believe you can dig your own Thundereggs there anymore. But back in the day when you could, we went hog wild and went every chance we could get. Some of them are so beautiful. So I thought, since I don't really have anything better to do today, let's cut some. Here's a interesting double one. Let's try this one first. I'll put it in the big saw. All right, that looks good to me. That's cutting away. Some of these rocks are small enough to cut on the trim saw. Look at this teeny baby booby. Let's cut this little guy first. Whoa. That's interesting and not at all what I expected. Looks like well, maybe there's a little bit of a fracture there, but that's definitely a unique one. I like the looks of this nice round one. Here's a triple one. Oh, this one is really pretty. Let's see what this looks like outside. Lovely. Now this one was already broken open, but it kind of almost looks like opal inside. But let's go ahead and just cut a face off of this and see what that turns into. Whoa. This one's crazy. I've never seen any Richardson's Ranch Thunderegg that look like this before. These are wild. They're mossy and brecciated and funky. Yeah, this is definitely a different batch than what I'm used to. This one's really cool because it has a teeny little bit of red peeking through. I was tempted to make slices of it, but I think I'm just gonna cut it in half. I'm scared to look. Oh, what? I mean, that's cool, but where's the red? Maybe it's in the other half. Wow, that looks cool. Let me look at the other half. Wow. Well, that red is not there. I mean, it's visible here on the, here on the back. Wow, that's killer. That's definitely gonna get polished. And it's got a little druzy pocket in the middle. Little sparkly inside. So I have all these broken Thundereggs that I collected, and there's still good agate inside. So I'm going to glue them to these wooden bases, and when that's dry, we'll take some slices off of those. Wow. That is pretty. And that looks like opal, like a common opal. That's really pretty. Let's take another slice. Wow. There's that pink opal I was talking about. And looks like there's the pink agate. And then that thing is just, that looks really good too. That's cool. I think I can get at least two more slices. Whoa. That is cool. Whoa. Look at the pattern in that. I don't see fractures either. Wow, that is cool. What remains? Let me get my flashlight here. Whoa. Well, I think we got enough to do one more cut. All right, that's a pretty classic Richardson's Ranch. It's got some white opal inside and some blue and black. It's a nice looking one. Yeah. A little fractured, but not bad. Interesting. Oh, that's cool. That's beautiful. Interesting. exactly the slam dunk that I was hoping for. Normally Richardson's Ranch Thundereggs are pretty baller. But that was a weird mix. I remembered that trip. We dug at some of the really far away, obscure pits, and consequently found some really weird Thundereggs. But there were some cool ones in there. But it just wet the whistle and did not slake my thirst for more. I want more. I want to cut them all. And if you enjoyed that, and I hope you did, let me know, because as I was looking through my all my material that I've dug in the last decade, I came across another bucket of Richardson's Ranch Thundereggs, and so we might have some more and better surprises. So maybe stay posted for round 2. Anyway, thank you all for joining me. Love you. God bless you. Peace.